a giveaway on this Yarnspirations Velvet Yarn. And you get this, all you need to do is be a subscriber, comment down below, something crochet related, maybe perhaps what you're working on right now. This is a velvet yarn. I do have promotions that are listed down below. In my Etsy store, I have mugs and crochet bag, 2 books for sale on Amazon, and then Knit Crate is listed down below. Your first month you can get 20% off if you sign up under me and put your promo code Jewel20 in. I have a new Facebook and new crochet Facebook page because I had to start over. That's listed down below. So anyways, this pretty yarn, it's very, of course, soft, feels like velvet. It's 100% polyester, 10.5 ounces, 300 grams, 315 yards. And it's bulky 5 and 6.5 hook. Pink Dust Rose is the name. Very, very pretty. Now my review is that it's so soft. It would be great for a blanket. So pretty. The color, I can't, it's very, very light pink, but very pretty, pretty, pretty. I got this one at Michael's. I'm going to see if I can find this on Amazon. If you're not the winner, you can take a look on Amazon. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe, comment down below to participate.